Hello, viewers, and thank you for tuning in. If you came across this video, you're in luck. Up next, we have a patient who's super excited to share her experience. She came across us. She's one of our out-of-town patients. One eye we had to do a PRK procedure, and the other eye we had to do a cornea repair procedure. Stay tuned for today. I'm Theo. I am from Las Vegas, Nevada. And I had done one procedure doing PRK or LASIK surgery on my left eye and cornea repair on my right eye. And so far, the whole process has been great from the beginning, starting from the staff, from their patience and kindness and understanding, and just being very patient with me and letting me know that everything is going to be okay. How my journey started. It started with my right eye having a very, very small scarring. I had a cloudy or haziness. I reported about it probably a little over 3 years ago. And they just prescribed me eye drops and said, just continue with the eye drops. Hopefully it'll go away. And it didn't go away. As a matter of fact, it actually kept getting bigger and bigger. So I went to go see a second doctor who also mentioned a different type of eye drops. And then that doctor said that, because I was understood that with the eye drops, it will potentially go away. But the that second doctor that I visited said, no, it is a permanent thing. It is never going to go away. The purpose of the eye drops is to make it worse. And as a matter of fact, mentioned that my right eye was quote unquote trash. So that's definitely discouraging because it impacted a lot of things. I do digital marketing, so I'm on screen a lot, and I drive to work to most like everyone, and this was pre-pandemic. So it was definitely it was definitely a hindrance in a lot that I do, to the point where my left eye, I had vision problems on my left eye and wearing glasses, and I'm not about glasses, to be honest. It hurts my, my head and the frame and just everything, but I needed it. Otherwise, I can't do what I needed to do. Then finally, I went to another doctor, an optometrist that recommended me a cornea specialist. So that is Dr. Manzuri. And after seeing her for quite some time, she finally said, I may know someone that can help you. But he is in San Diego, and that's when she referred me to Motwani. I immediately, I felt like a glimpse of hope. I immediately sent out an email. They got in contact with me. I had my phone consultation. I explained everything, sent them my topography, and that's when Motwani said that he'll be able to help me. And he also mentioned too, because I was at a point where I just wanted my eye to repair. I wasn't expecting for my vision to be corrected, but I just wanted my right eye to at least most of the scarring to go away. But he mentioned that he may be able to even help with my vision to the point where I may not need glasses anymore. And that brought tears to my eyes, especially not being able to see for such a long time, and just the possibility to see, even standing here today and without my glasses and be able to do most day-to-day things. It's just an utmost amazing feeling. So I highly, highly recommend to give it a try, especially if you're having any sort of vision issues. And don't give up hope. Don't lose hope. I didn't even know this place existed until my cornea specialist told me, and I want everyone to know that there is help out there and don't give up.